guys, welcome to another Hafro natural tutorial. This will be our wash day tutorial, wash day routine. In the previous video, we did a detangling routine before the wash day. If you haven't checked it out, please check it out. And then today we'll be washing using the shampoo, sulfate free, and then a conditioner and a deep conditioner. All right, let's get into it. What might you need? You might still need some sectioning clips, and you'll need a plastic bag or a shower cap for your deep conditioning part of the routine. Okay, let's do it. Guys, now that I've washed and conditioned, and you may have seen that I did wash in my twists, I find it a lot easier. It still gets the job done. Hair still clean, still gets conditioned, and especially if you have a lot of hair, it's an easier way to do your hair. But now when I deep condition, I will undo the twists and then apply some of the deep conditioner to each of the twists. Already after shampooing and conditioning, I can feel that my hair is soft, still detangled from the detangling routine before you wash, and it feels really nice. And that means the deep conditioner is going to do an even better job. Okay, so now for the deep conditioner, which also has raw shea butter, and it is moisturizing and strengthening. So that promotes strong and healthier hair. And deep conditioning should be part of your wash day every time you wash. Okay, not once a month, not, once in a while, all the time. Oh, I love this. I love the scent as well. It's nice and thick. It's got a yellowy color. It feels really soft. Let's see what it does to our hair. Okay, so you apply it all over. And the ends are really important because they're the older parts of your hair. Whoops. This feels good. Okay, so I just rake it in with my fingers. I might use a tool. So if I haven't detangled before my wash day, then this would be the time when I would detangle. But with this new routine that I use and washing my hair in twists, this makes it so much easier when it's time to apply the deep conditioner. And then that's all you need to focus on, that you're getting the deep conditioner into your hair. You don't have to worry about detangling. This feels really good. Okay, then afterwards I will go and twist up again. Okay, twist up the hair again, all the way down. I'll do this on my whole head, and then at the end of it, apply the plastic bag and leave it in for the recommended time. On this product, the recommended amount of time to leave it in is, let's see, 5 minutes. Okay, but if you're into deeper conditioning, it says put a plastic cap on and leave for 30 minutes. So I might leave it on for 30 minutes actually. To get the maximum potential of the product. I love it. It feels really great. Hair stretched, and I think it's going to work really well. Okay, so now I'm going to do that all over my head. Put my plastic baggie on, wait for 30 minutes, and then wash it out. And then I'll come back and let you know how it went. So that is the wash day almost done. As promised, I said I would let you know what my hair was like after the deep conditioning. So I kept it in for about 20 minutes with a plastic bag on. You can use a shower cap as well. And wow, this product is really amazing. Like, I think all the plant seed oils that are in here do everything that they're supposed to do. My hair feels so soft and moisturized, and I have not even moisturized it. So let's see what it looks like. Okay. Let's undo this bit so we can see. Wow, look at that. Look at that. That is amazing. I'm so impressed. I'm so impressed with the products. I really, really am. And this is one of those deep conditioners that I will keep around for a really, really long time. It really does everything it's supposed to do. And I don't think I used that much. Maybe. I mean, it may look like I used a lot, but not so much. It's really great. I can feel that it's moisturized. I can feel the softness which you want. You know, at the end of your wash day, you don't want your hair to feel tangled and matted. And for sure, this has done exactly that. So yeah, next time I might leave it in for a little bit longer and maybe apply some heat to get it a little bit more into the, but I don't even think I need to do that. This is so amazing. Wow. Okay, so that brings us to the end of wash day. In the next couple of videos, we'll be doing moisturizing using the LOC or the LCO method. And Hafro has amazing products to get you through that. There's a hair food, hair oil, styling cream, and the shea butter. So you don't want to miss out on those, on how to actually complete, your entire wash day. And then a midweek moisturization with some of those products as well. So stick around and happy washing. Bye.